It teaches self-independence. So today is November the 11th, and the question for today is, should cooking or nutrition be a required subject in high school?
Yes, I would think so. I have home economics subject in high school, and that really helped a lot for kids because we learned to cook things that we usually don't cook at home, especially back then we don't have an oven. And we found ways how to cook things that is supposed to be cooked in oven in an alternative way. Cooking from home is actually, you know what is in your food, and it will be more healthy for your family. It's another way of investing something for your family, cooking for them. So, and then it gives you more relationship to your kids and your husband.
Yeah.
Actually, my husband likes me cooking.
Yes, and I love her cooking. She cooks really good.
I know. For Filipinos out there, I know there's a lot of you that cooks really good. Especially my mom. Hi, Ma!
Hi, Lola! It's a necessary life skill. We all have to eat. Whether we know how to cook or not, we have to eat.
Yes.
I mean, nowadays, it's easy to go to McDonald's or KFC or whatever. It's easy to a fast food or to a restaurant. And you can get yourself something to eat, but I think necessary life skill, cooking, yes. Knowing how to do the laundry, being able to wash the dishes and being able to do it well, being able to clean. They have a washing machine, but they don't know how to operate it. I know, but the point is, these are basic life skills and they should be taught. See, the strange thing too is, as a teacher, you would probably think, well, that should be something that the parents should teach them. Where are the parents? Where are the kids? The kids are in school, the parents are at work, not depending on other people to cook for you. Yeah, so that is our answer for today. Make sure to leave a comment below what you think and what your answer would be for today or the next day, but what your answer would be. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and of course don't forget to give us a thumbs up. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
Girls.